In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a ChatGPT script into a YouTube video using AI, and how you can generate full videos in seconds even if you're a complete beginner. I'll also show you what I believe is one of the best AI video generators for faceless YouTube content. Before we jump in, there's one important thing to mention. If you want to follow along or test this AI tool yourself, you can use the link in the description to try Pictory for free. Let's get started. Once you land on the Pictory website, click on the Start for Free button and sign in using your Google account to get instant access. After signing in, you'll be asked why you want to use Pictory. Go ahead and select the option that best matches creating YouTube videos or long-form content, since that aligns perfectly with turning ChatGPT scripts into videos. This is the Pictory AI dashboard. Along the top, you'll see several features, but for this tutorial, the main one we'll focus on is text to video. This is the core tool that lets you take a written ChatGPT script and turn it into a fully edited faceless YouTube video in seconds. Everything starts from this dashboard, so once you're comfortable here, the entire process becomes incredibly simple. Click on Text to Video to begin. The first thing you'll do is enter your video name, which acts as your title. Below that is where you paste your script. This script can be written entirely by ChatGPT, tweaked by you, or generated using any prompt style you like. As long as you have text, Pictory can turn it into a video. I already have a ChatGPT generated script ready, so I'll paste it in here. One important tip when using ChatGPT scripts for faceless YouTube videos is to avoid long, run-on sentences. If ChatGPT gives you a very long sentence, split it into two shorter ones using ellipses or line breaks. This prevents overcrowded text on screen and keeps each scene clean and easy to read. Short, punchy lines work much better for engagement and retention. The ellipses also create curiosity and encourage viewers to keep watching. You don't need to do this for every line, but it's extremely useful for longer explanations. Pictory also includes an Ask AI option that lets you improve your script directly inside the editor. You can shorten it, expand it, rephrase it, or change the tone with just a few clicks. This is perfect if your ChatGPT script needs quick polishing before turning it into a video. You can also adjust the video format here, switching to landscape, which is ideal for YouTube and other horizontal platforms. Once the script is added, you'll see several scene settings, including options like auto-highlight keywords, auto-visual selection, and creating new scenes. I usually keep these enabled and prefer creating new scenes based on sentence and line breaks, which works perfectly for YouTube-style videos. Once everything looks good, click the Generate Video button. After that, you'll be prompted to select a theme for your video. Choose the theme that best matches the style and vibe you want for your faceless YouTube content, since this controls how the text, visuals, and overall layout look throughout the video. After selecting your theme, the video will begin generating, and you'll be taken into the editor where you can start making further adjustments. Now let's walk through the editor. When you click on a specific scene, it opens for editing. You can select scenes either from the timeline or directly from the preview area. Right away, you'll notice that some visuals may not be ideal, and that's perfectly normal. These can be easily changed. Visuals are usually the most time-consuming part of creating viral YouTube videos with AI, so let's focus there. If you see a visual you don't like, click on the Visuals tab and scroll through the available options. Look for something relevant to the script and visually engaging. For example, if the scene is about drinking more water, choosing a clip that shows someone pouring or drinking water makes sense. Once you select a new visual, it replaces the old one instantly. You'll repeat this process for each scene, matching visuals as closely as possible to the on-screen text. As you go through the scenes, make sure the visuals align with the message. For instance, a scene about morning exercise works well with visuals showing someone stretching, jogging, or doing yoga. If a clip looks outdated, you can search for a fresher alternative using more specific keywords. Sometimes adjusting your search terms makes a big difference. For concepts like eating healthy, you might need to think creatively. The key is deciding how precise you want to be. Being less picky speeds up the process, while more precision improves polish and engagement potential. This same approach applies to all scenes. This part of the process typically takes the longest, but once you get used to it, you can move through scenes very quickly. Next is the audio section, which includes background music and AI voiceovers. Background music is simple to add. Just browse, preview tracks, and apply one if you like it. You can remove it at any time if you want to focus more on the voice. For voiceovers, Pictory offers both premium and standard AI voices, including multilingual options powered by 11 Labs. The premium voices generally sound more natural, but there are plenty of solid standard options that work perfectly for faceless YouTube videos. You can preview different voices, choose the one you like, and apply it to your video. If you prefer recording your own voice, that's also an option. Simply select a scene, click the microphone icon, record your narration, save it, and apply it. You can repeat this for each scene if you want full control over the narration. There's also an upload option if you use external voiceover software. You can upload pre-recorded audio files and apply them directly to your scenes. Another useful feature is branding. This allows you to upload your logo, choose brand colors, and maintain a consistent look across all your faceless YouTube videos. You can create a brand profile, add your logo, select colors, and even associate visuals, music, or voices with it. Once saved, you can apply this branding to future videos to speed up your workflow and stay consistent. Back in the editor, the Styles section lets you change the overall look of your video quickly. You can preview different styles and see how they affect text, backgrounds, and highlighted keywords. If you find one you like, you can apply it to all scenes with a single click. This is a fast way to unify the look of your AI-generated YouTube videos without manually editing each scene. There are plenty of styles available, so feel free to experiment. Text editing is straightforward. The main script at the bottom is what gets narrated by the AI voice. Any additional on-screen text can be clicked, edited, or deleted as needed. Elements add a bit of fun and flexibility, allowing you to include arrows, stickers, GIFs, or emojis. You can search for elements, add them to scenes, move them around, or remove them easily. These are optional extras, but they can help emphasize points and increase engagement on YouTube. Formatting options let you adjust orientation and resolution. When everything is finished, you can preview the video and download it. Previewing a scene lets you hear the voiceover and see how the visuals and text come together. Overall, the editor is very intuitive. Most of the effort goes into matching visuals with the script and making small refinements. After you've finished editing and are happy with your video, click the Download button in the top right corner of the editor. Pictory will process your video, and once ready, it will be saved to your computer. To upload your video to YouTube, go to YouTube Studio and click the Create button at the top right, then select Upload Videos. A window will open where you can drag and drop your video file or click Select Files to browse your computer for the downloaded video. Once the upload starts, fill in the title, description, and tags for your video. You can upload a custom thumbnail or choose one of the automatically generated options. You can also add the video to a playlist and set whether it is made for kids or not. Adjust any other settings you want, like subtitles, end screens, or monetization if available. When you're ready, choose the visibility of your video as public, unlisted, or private, then click Publish. Your AI-generated faceless YouTube video will now be live on your channel. Beyond text to video, Pictory also offers URL to video, which is another powerful feature for faceless YouTube content. By pasting in a URL, Pictory pulls the source article and generates an AI-powered summary. That summary becomes the script for your video, and from there, the editing process is exactly the same. You can edit, reorder, add, or delete scenes as needed. This makes turning blog posts or articles into viral YouTube videos incredibly fast. Once you understand how this editor works, converting a ChatGPT script into a YouTube video becomes incredibly fast. You can go from raw text to a fully edited faceless video in minutes or even seconds. If you don't like a scene, you can remove or replace it instantly, making the entire workflow smooth and beginner-friendly. That's how you convert a ChatGPT script into a YouTube video using AI and generate videos in seconds. If you want to try it yourself, use the link in the description to test Pictory for free.